Okay guys, so today we will start Kita mula sekarang. So, are you all ready? Semua dah sedia? If you all ready, please comment ready. Kalau dah sedia, comment sedia. I need some response. Sangat senyap. Okay, ready ya? Okay, so we start with question 1. Soalan pertama. Okay, this one is actual SPM paper question. Okay guys, so bila nampak soalan ni, when you see this question, may I know which form, which chapter? Bab apa, tingkatan berapa? Soalan ni. Anyone? Cuba komen. Yes. This is Form 4 Chapter 1 guys. Tingkatan 4 bab 1. Correct. Okay, about functions. Fungsi. Alright. So the first question. They ask whether G inverse X exists or not. Okay. Adakah fungsi G songsang tu adalah fungsi atau tidak? Okay guys, macam mana nak kenal pasti sesuatu fungsi tu fungsi atau tidak? Apa kriteria dia? How to identify whether the function is a function or not? What are the two type of relation that we can call as function guys? Can anyone comment? Apa dua jenis hubungan yang boleh dipanggil sebagai fungsi? Anyone? Siapa tahu? Two type of relation that can be called as function. Yes, correct. Many to one. Ada satu lagi. Banyak kepada satu. Dan juga, yes, satu kepada satu. One to one. Correct. Okay. So, first step, you have to find the inverse function of course. Okay, kamu kena carilah fungsi songsang. Okay guys, so they already give you your gx. Okay, so how to find inverse function guys? Macam mana cari fungsi songsang? Okay, our first step is we always let g inverse x equal to y. Ini kaedah saya lah. Saya akan guna kaedah ni biasanya. I usually use this method when talking about inverse function. Okay, so when you do this assumption, you will get x equal to gy. Okay, so x is equal to y square minus 3. Okay, because gx is equal to x square minus 3. So gy is equal to y square minus 3. Alright, so sekarang kamu kena ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Okay, you must express y in term of x because kita nak cari g inverse x. Betul? That is our aim now guys. We want to find g inverse. Okay, so kamu ungkapkan sajalah, just express. Okay, so you will get the answer y is equal to square root x plus 3. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay guys, so now based on this, I know that g inverse x sama dengan square root x plus 3. Okay, ini adalah info dia. Alright, so guys, may I know, is this a function or not? Adakah ini fungsi ke tak? Yes or no? What do you all think? Adakah persamaan ni menunjukkan G songsang X ni wujud ke tak? Is there such thing called G inverse X using this equation? Anyone? Yes or no? What do you all think? Cuba fikir guys. Try to think. Very good. Okay, so why you guys say no? Kenapa tidak? Kenapa tak ada fungsi songsang? Why this one has no inverse function? Okay, so this one, you must understand the shape of the graph. Okay, kamu kena faham bentuk graph dia. Alright, so how to understand the shape of the graph, guys? Yes. Okay, this one will actually have more than one image, guys. Okay, mengapa yang ni ada lebih dari satu image? Sangat senang, guys. Okay, usually, right, guys, when you have square root, kamu akan ada dua jawapan. Betul? When you have a square root, always two answer. Sebab punca kuasa 2. Kena lebih spesifik. Kamu kena cakap lebih dari satu image. Okay, macam Afif kata, have more than one image. Okay, tak boleh kata titik saja. Kamu kena refer titik tu pada image. Okay, so macam mana tahu lebih banyak dari satu image? Okay, kamu ganti saja. X sama dengan 6. Contoh, let's say you guys substitute X equal to 6. So guys, what will be your answer? May I know? If x equal to 6, g inverse x equal to what, guys? Positive, negative, 3. Am I right? Guna fungsi ni. X equal to 6. Kamu akan dapat punca kuasa 2, 9. Okay, you get square root 9. Okay, so square root 9 is what, guys? 3 and also negative 3. Correct? 3 dan negatif 3 adalah punca kuasa 2, 9. Okay, so maksudnya sekarang ada 2 image. Okay, G inverse X, you have 2 image. Okay, so when you have 2 image, is it inverse function, guys? Adakah dia fungsi songsang kalau ada 2 image? May I know? Yes or no, guys? Cuba respon. If I have 2 image, adakah ini boleh dipanggil fungsi songsang ke tak? Hello? Yes or no, guys? Yes, of course no. Pasti tidak. Okay, guys, you must remember, only one-to-one function will have an inverse function. This concept you must understand. Hanya hubungan satu kepada satu sahaja akan ada fungsi songsang. Boleh? Can you all understand? Okay, one-to-one means that one object, one image. Okay, satu objek, satu image sahaja. Okay, over here you have two image. Dua image. Positif 3 dan negatif 3. So, dua image. Okay, that's why jawapan dia tak ada lah. Don't have. Okay, so you just need to say function G does not have inverse. Okay, fungsi G tiada songsangan. Alright? Understand, guys? Do you get it? Or if you want to add on, you can also say, because it is not a one-to-one function. Dia bukan hubungan satu kepada satu. Boleh tulis yang tu juga. Alright? Understand, guys? Alright. So next one, okay, so question B. They ask you to find hx. What equal to 0? Nothing to equal to 0 here. You just need to understand the function only. That's all. Square root function can have two image. Okay? Because square root means positive, negative. So you'll have two image. That's all. Alright? Okay, next one, guys. They ask you to find hx. Okay, cari nilai hx. If hx is equal to, if f inverse hx is equal to gx. Okay, so you have this equation now, guys. Kamu ada persamaan ni. Okay, guys. Gx, you already have the information. Fx, you also have the information. Okay, now, guys, what is the step you must do for this question? G inverse x function. G inverse x is what, Bowen? Inverse function, right? So they're asking whether inverse function exists or not lah, because this is an inverse function. Okay? Alright, guys. So f inverse hx. What is your first step, guys, in this question? Kamu kena buat apa dulu? Can you all comment? What must you find first? First step. Langkah pertama, guys. Come on. Think and see. Cuba fikir. What is my first step? Anyone? Hello? Okay. Ken, no problem. Okay, but usually, right, guys, yes, your method is correct, boleh. Okay, but try to see whether there is any easier method or not. Cuba lihat ada tak kaedah lebih senang. Okay, cuba fikir. Dari persamaan ni saja kamu lihat. Just look at this equation. Is there any other simpler method I can solve this? Ada tak kaedah lebih senang? Kalau saya tak mau cari F inverse. If I don't want to find F inverse. Okay, yes, masukkan GX. Lepas tu? Anyone? What can you see over here? Okay, guys, you see one thing, nampak satu perkara. F inverse. Okay, saya boleh bawa ke sini. Am I right? F inverse I can shift to right hand side. So guys, bila saya pindah F inverse kepada kanan, dapat apa, guys? FGX. Am I right? Kamu dapat FGX. So guys, FGX boleh cari tak? Boleh. So kalau kamu cari FGX, itu kamu dah cari FX. Okay, you already find FX. You already find HX when you find FGX. Boleh faham tak, guys? So kamu pindahkan F songsang sahaja. Just shift the F inverse from left to right. So you get HX equal to FGX. So kamu buat fungsi gubahan sahaja. FGX. Just do a composite function of FGX. Then get your HX answer. Senang sahaja. Like that only. Okay? So FGX, guys, which one come first? Mana datang dulu? F or G? Kalau FGX, may I know? Yang ni selalu pelajar confuse. A lot of you always will confuse one. If I have FGX, saya kena buat fungsi mana dulu, guys? F atau G? Which one I should do first? Yes. Okay, always. Ahmad, hati-hati ya. Bukan F, kena mula dengan G. Okay, you must start with G. Selalu ingat guys, kanan ke kiri. You always go from right to left. Okay? Is scheme accepted? Yes. The scheme show this answer. Okay? So ini cara kamu boleh dapat jawapan. Alright? So you just find FGX only. Maksudnya GX ni X square minus 3, kamu substitute. Gantikan yang ni dalam ungkapan X bagi fungsi F. Okay, you just substitute X square minus 3 inside your X term of the F function. Then you will get the answer D. Okay guys, are you all clear? So ini cara dapat jawapan lah. So you will have 1 minus 2 times X square minus 3. Okay, asal ni X kan? Asal ni adalah X. So X tukar kepada X square minus 3. Sebab GX sama dengan X square minus 3. Okay, then kamu kembangkan dapat jawapan. Get the answer. Okay, are you all clear guys? So 2 markah untuk yang ni. 2 marks. Okay, so next question. Okay, they ask you to find the value of X. Cari nilai X. Okay, so kamu kena guna persamaan ni lah. Okay guys, first step. What must I find here? Saya kena cari apa dulu? Berdasarkan persamaan ni. What is the first thing? Yes, correct. Okay, you must find the F inverse X, guys. Kamu kena cari fungsi songsang yang ni. Okay, so how to do it? Very simple. Same step lah, like just now. Okay, so first step, let F inverse X equal to Y. Katakan macam ni dulu. Okay, so X equal to Fy. Okay, then you just substitute. Okay, Fy is equal to 1 minus 2y. Okay, so you will get y equal to x minus 1 over negative 2. Okay, so ini adalah fungsi songsang kamu. This is your inverse function. Okay, you can write like this also can. Kamu boleh tulis macam ni pun sama. 1 minus x over 2. Okay, so maksudnya f inverse x is equal to 1 minus x over 2. So guys, do you understand how I find inverse function? Boleh faham tak? Macam mana saya cari fungsi songsang ni? Okay, usually when you guys understand, kamu type 1. Kalau tak faham, type 2. Okay, understand 1, don't understand 2. Kalau faham type 1, tak faham 2. Okay, 1 Okay, 2. Yudina, Crystal, Farhana. Apa soalan kamu? What is the question you have? Boleh tanya. Kalau kamu type 2, maksudnya kamu ada soalan lah. If you have question, you can ask. Okay, so banyak satu lah. I use fx to find y to find x, then change y to x. Do you get this answer? 1 minus x over 2? Bowen? Okay, then correct lah. Your method is correct. As long as you can get the answer. Okay, so what are your question? Later I see ya guys. Saya terangkan dulu. So kamu boleh type sementara soalan kamu. Okay guys. So G F inverse X mean that F inverse X kamu kena substitute dalam fungsi G. Okay. So you just substitute 1 minus X over 2 dalam ungkapan X bagi fungsi G. Okay, you substitute inside the X term only. Dalam sebutan X sahaja. Alright. So you will get this equation. Dapat persamaan ni. Okay, exactly like that. Okay, so then kamu selesaikan sahaja untuk cari nilai X. You solve this equation. Okay, so how to solve it? Macam mana nak selesaikan? Okay, first step, kamu pindah yang ni lah. Okay, you shift it to the right hand side. So you will have 1 minus X over 2 square equal to 4. Okay, after that, let me see. Okay. So what you can do here is you square both side. Okay, kamu boleh kuasa dua-dua belah persamaan. Yang ni tadi guna cara, yes. Saya guna cara ni. Start. Okay, cara tu pun boleh. Okay, I use this concept. F inverse X sama dengan Y. Ini konsep saya. Yang tu pun boleh. Kamu boleh katakan let X equal to 1 minus 2X. Let Y. Let y equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay? Sehubungan kepada 1, yes. 1 kepada 1 sahaja ada songsang. Ingat, 1 kepada 1 sahaja. Tak ada yang lain. Okay? So, macam tu. Okay, so when you reach this step, okay, so if you don't want to do like this also can, kamu boleh kembangkan dari sini lah. Okay, you just expand quadratic, guys. So you will have something like this, over 4 equal to 4. Okay, then darab silang, plus x square equal to 16. Okay, so then you can simplify, boleh permudahkan. So you will get something like this, equal to 16. Okay, then kamu cari nilai x lah. Okay, you just solve for your x value. Okay, so over here you will get 2x value. Kamu akan dapat 2 nilai x, guys. Sebab dia kuasa 2. Okay, when you shift the square to the other side, it becomes square root 16. Okay, square root 16 is positive, negative 4. Kamu ada 2 nilai. 2 different value. Okay, positive, negative 4. Alright, so you must consider 2 cases. Tengok 2 case. So that's why you have 2 different answer. Okay, so your answer is this one. Okay guys, 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Tak perlu tulis nilai-nilai X tu berlainan. Tak perlu. Tulis saja macam ni. Just write your answer like that. Okay, 1 Okay, so we continue. Okay, so we done question 1 tadi lah. Kita dah habis soalan 1. Alright, 7 marks lah guys. 7 markah, banyak. Minus plus equal to plus minus. Yes, can also. Guys, if you want to write your answer like this, or like this, both also can. Dua-dua pun sama. Same meaning. Okay? Alright, next question guys. Number 2. May I know what chapter is this? Bab mana yang ni guys? Can you all comment? Yes. Okay, which form? Form 4? Yes. Chapter 7. Okay, coordinate geometry guys. Okay, geometry coordinate. Okay, this one got 7 mark also. 7 markah. Okay, not hard. Tak susah. Okay, so first step, you analyze the question. Analisis soalan. Okay, so they give you the equation of RS. Okay, so persamaan RS, y plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so this one, RS, wait, RS, y plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay guys, may I know what is the gradient for RS? Apa kecerunan garis RS berdasarkan persamaan saya? What is my gradient? Very good. Okay, the answer is negative 2 guys. Okay, because you rearrange in y equal mx tambah c. Okay, so nilai m kamu adalah negative 2. So your gradient kecerunan adalah negative 2. Alright, so let us see the question. Lihat soalan. Okay, they ask you to find the equation of PQ. Guys, to everyone here, this is actual SPM question. Ini adalah soalan sebenar SPM, bukan trial negeri. Soalan sebenar SPM 2022. Alright, 2022. Okay, so now they ask you to form the equation of PQ, guys. Cari persamaan PQ. Okay, so how to find the equation of PQ, guys? What are the information you need? Apa info kamu kena ada untuk bentuk sesuatu persamaan? Cuba bagi tahu saya secara generally. What are the 2 information you need? 2 info. First, kena ada apa guys? Yes, of course you must have the gradient of QR. Kamu kena ada kecerunan QR. Yes, very good. C guys, pintasan YQR pun kena ada. Yes. Okay, all of you correct. Betul. Alright. So, may I know what is the gradient of QR guys? Berdasarkan wajah ni. Apa kecerunan garis QR? Anyone? Senang saja. Very simple. So you see this one you get negative 2, right? Kamu ada negative 2, yes. Okay, means the gradient is 1 over 2. Okay, correct. You all use the perpendicular theory. Okay, guna rumus M1 times M2 equal to negative 1. Because you see the 90 degree symbol. Okay, kamu nampak dah 90 darjah. Alright? Okay, now. Pintasan Y. Tak ada kan dalam soalan. The question never give us the y-intercept. Okay, other than y-intercept, always remember you can substitute a point to find the equation. Okay, kamu boleh gantikan satu koordinat untuk cari persamaan PQ. Macam mana? Guna persamaan ni guys. Okay, you use this formula. Have you all seen guys this formula? Rumus ni boleh guna untuk bentuk persamaan. Okay, you form the equation. Okay, so you have your M, X1, Y1 adalah koordinat ni. This is the coordinate you sub. Alright? Then you will get the answer D for part 1. Okay, so macam ni. So this is your answer. Clear guys? 1 or 2? Satu atau dua untuk soalan ni? Okay, right? Sangat straightforward kan? Okay, very straightforward. Okay, next one. Okay, so they ask you to find coordinate Q guys. Cari titik Q. Okay, so may I know what is the name called for coordinate Q? What can we call this point? Apa kita boleh panggil titik Q ni berdasarkan raja? Bukan. Soalan tak kata titik tengah guys. The question never mention anything about midpoint. Lebih specific, Anas. More specific a bit. How do we find titik Q? No, not tangent. Yes, guna persamaan serentak, guys. Guys, Q is what we call as the point of intersection. Have you all heard this? Titik persilangan. So that's why you can use simultaneous equation to solve. Okay, guna persamaan ni dan guna persamaan ni. Use these two equation because they intersect over here. Mereka bertemu kat sini sahaja, iaitu titik Q. Alright? So you just need to use simultaneous. Okay, so kamu dah ada dua persamaan. So bagi dia sama lah. Just let it equal to each other. Okay? So kamu akan dapat yang ni, cari nilai X. Okay guys, can I stop here? Boleh saya henti kat sini? Yes or no? Saya dapat nilai X, maksudnya henti. The rest? Can I stop my working here? Boleh henti tak kat sini? Kenapa yes tiba-tiba no? Of course not lah guys. Tak boleh. Okay? Sebab dia tanya coordinate guys. Always remember coordinate kena tulis dalam bentuk yang ni. You must give in this format. Coordinate you cannot just say X equal to 3. Salah. This is not coordinate. Yes. Coordinate must have Y and X value. Okay? So, kamu gantikan balik lah. Just substitute in any equation. Pilih mana-mana satu. You get Y equal to 1. Okay, lepas tu jawapan dia adalah negatif 2, 1. Understand guys? Do you all get it? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Soalan SPM. Usually paper 2 will be easier guys. Kertas 2 lebih senang selalunya SPM berbanding paper 1. AdMaths kacang kan guys? Ada satu channel AdMaths kacang. Memanglah AdMaths kacang. Tengok kacang kan boleh makan kacang dan buat juga. Collab. Mungkin saya boleh collab dengan AdMaths kacang. Okay, so now question number B. They ask you to find coordinate of T. Cari coordinate T. Okay guys, how to find T? Okay, so mereka kata PQ dipanjangkan ke titik T. Okay, you extend the garis PQ until point T. Okay, so you can imagine something like this. Okay, kamu kena bayangkan lah sikit. Okay, so let's say this one is point T. Okay, so you refer the question. Okay, they give you the ratio. PQ to QT is equal to 3 to 2. Very good. Always guys, when you see 3 point, 3 titik, selalu ingat rumus tempering. Remember your line of segment formula. Okay? So this one is your divisor. Pembahagi tempering 2, titik Q. This usually paper 2 not much derive. Okay? Kertas 2, yeah, today is more on apply only. Okay? So just now coordinate Q, we got negative 2, 1. Am I right? Ini adalah jawapan kita. So now the question is to find coordinate T. Cari coordinate T. So very easy right guys? Sangat senang kan? M equal to 3, N equal to 2. So what is the formula guys? Apa rumus pembagi tempering? Okay, actually you no need to remember. Tak perlu ingat because it's given a D in front of your paper. Sudah diberi. Okay, so this is your formula. Yeah, dia kasih dah. Okay, so you just apply the formula. Kamu kena tahu macam mana aplikasikan sahaja rumus ni. Okay, so you just substitute M is 3, N is 2. Okay guys, now I want to ask you, what is your X1 over here? Apa nilai X1? Kalau kamu dapat X1 betul, then I know you understand already lah. Okay, so berdasarkan labeling saya kat sini, apa nilai X1 saya? What is my X1? Anyone? Apa nilai X1? So, kalau bawah tu kita tambah terbalik, boleh ke? Boleh. Maksud kamu N tambah M. Betul? N tambah M pun boleh. Okay. So because tak boleh ya. Yang ni ke yang kamu tanya? Yang ni. Sebenarnya boleh lah. Sebab 3 tambah 2, 2 tambah 3 nilai dia sama kan? Masih 5. Betul? So, dia tak bawa apa-apa efek pun. 3 tambah 2, 2 tambah 3, same. Okay? Mungkin dia nak kamu guna, mungkin cikgu kamu nak kamu guna rumus tu 100%. Betul? Dia tak mau ubah apa-apa. Don't want to change anything. Boleh juga, can also. Macam mana nak tahu which one M or N? Actually tak ada apa-apa criteria spesifik lah. Kamu boleh label macam mana kamu nak. Guys, the M and N value, right? You can label however you want. I can say M is 2, N is 3. Yang ni pun boleh. Both also can. You can choose either method. Dua-dua pun boleh. But it depends how you apply the formula. Cara kamu guna rumus ni. Okay guys, just now I asked, right? Let's say if I label like this. Sekarang kita fokus yang ni. Yes? Okay. Still correct. Bowen, I still follow the ratio. Do you see? PQ is 3, QT is 2. I just changed my M and N value. That one won't affect anything. I still follow the ratio. The bottom one is 3, the top one is 2. Only the symbol I change. Okay? So, let's say I want to use this one, guys. So, may I know, what is my X1? Apa nilai X1 saya? Saya nak tahu sekarang. What is my X1? Is it negative 8 or negative 2? Which one is my X1? Cuba bagi tahu. Yes, betul lah. Correct. Okay, because usually the middle point I will give symbol XY. Selalu ingat guys, pembahagi tembereng tu selalunya akan guna simbol XY. Okay, the point that divide the line segment, which is Q, we always give symbol XY. Okay, takkan bagi simbol lain. This one is fixed. Okay, simbol ni adalah fixed. XY. Yang lain boleh ubah. The rest can change. Alright? So, betul lah kamu saja aplikasikan rumus. Okay, you just apply the formula, then you will get the answer. Okay? So, ini jawapan dia. This is the answer. Okay, so final answer you will get T is 2 and T is 2, 3. Okay? How about pembahagi 2 sama serenjang? Itu adalah titik tengah, Anas. Sebab dia bahagi kepada dua-dua panjang yang sama. So, kamu guna rumus titik tengah lah. Okay? Yang ni tak sama dia bahagi. Yes, midpoint. Correct. Okay? Okay, guys. So, can you all understand? So, over here, we just make an assumption. The coordinate of T is XY. Okay, kita buat anggapan ni. So, we just have to find the X and Y value. Okay, then kita akan dapat jawapan untuk coordinate T. Two methods. Yes. Depends how you read the question. Cara kamu interpretasi. Okay, guys. Let's say I use the concept of M is 3, N is 2. Okay, if M is 3, N is 2, my formula will look like this. Am I right? 3 negative 8. Sorry. Not 3 negative 8. 2 negative 8. This one is for this one, guys. Untuk yang case pertama. Plus NX1 plus MX2. Betul? MX2 kita tak tahu. X2 is our coordinate T, guys. X2, Y2. This one is X1, Y1. Can you all see it? Remember, guys, bila guna rumus ni, kamu kena silang. Nisbah tu kena silang. Maksud silang adalah silang macam ni. Okay, you must cross the ratio. Don't use this ratio for the coordinate T. Jangan guna kat sini. Kena guna untuk yang bertentangan. Use the ratio for the opposite coordinate. That's why N, X1. So, M, X2. X2 kita tak tahu. Macam ni lah. Then M plus N. Okay, 3 tambah 2. Alright. But guys, now you see. Kalau saya guna yang ni pula. N is 3, M is 2. Okay, so N, X1, right? N, X1. X1 kat mana? X1 will be yang ni kan. Am I right? Because you cross the ratio. Okay, silang. So, kamu kena silang ke T pula. Okay, so you label X1 plus M, X2. So, guys, you check and see. Do you get the same answer or not? Sama kan? Dua-dua ni. Exactly the same. Just different arrangement only. Susunan dia saja berbeza. Okay? So you still get the same answer. Dapat jawapan sama. Alright? So understand? Soalan 2 guys, boleh dapat? Kita dah habis. Soalan kedua. So 1 or 2? Easy right? Siapa kata admath susah kat sini? Nak jumpa orang tu. Who say admath very hard? Paper 1 a bit hard lah. Tapi paper 2 tak susah sangat. Okay, so we see question 3 guys. Okay, so what chapter is this? Apa bab yang ni? Okay, the question itself tell you already lah. Quadratic function, fungsi kuadratik. So form 4 chapter 2. Okay, so 6 mark, 6 markah. Alright, so they tell you this equation, the roots are alpha and beta. Wow, itu dah bagus lah. Boleh dapat A plus dah yang ni. Kalau paper 1 score bagus juga, ada peluang sangat tinggi dah. Ada orang cemburu ke tengok markah ni 88. I'm sure a lot of you over here very jealous. Oh, Afiq tengah flex. Wah, bagus ni Afiq. Admath tak susah, belum faham je. Kena faham lah. Wow, full mark ah. Saya pun tak pernah dapat yang tu. I never get full mark also. Not bad. Paper 2 87. Okay, very good. Okay lah, paper 2 if you guys can score higher than 80, lebih dari 80, paper 2, A2 dalam tangan lah. Kalau paper 1 tak ada apa-apa silap berlaku. Teringin nak 100, janganlah guys, 80 cukup berilah guys. Don't worry. Guys, SPM kamu takkan tahu kamu dapat 100. Betul ke tak? Am I right? SPM kamu tahu ke admath dapat 100 atau tak? Tak tahu kan? Kamu tahu ke Afiq? Saya nak tahu. Macam mana kamu tahu yang tu? Kamu tengok grade saja kan guys? You just look at your grade. So it's still the same. Nanti kamu semua share tips lah. Okay, so we still discuss the question first. Okay guys, so now they ask you to form the quadratic equation. Cari persamaan kuadratik. Okay, dengan punca baru yang ni. Okay, you must form the new equation. Okay guys, so may I know, SOR, what is the formula? HTP, apa rumus dia yang kamu tahu? HTP, hasil tambah punca, yes. Okay, SOR or HTP, you will get negative B over A. Okay guys, POR, product of root, yes. Okay, HDP adalah C over A. Alright, so kamu kena guna information lah yang ni. Just use these two equation. Okay, so you can form the equation for alpha and beta. Okay, so guys, may I know alpha plus beta sama dengan apa? What is the value based on this equation? Berdasarkan persamaan ni. What is my answer? Yes, very good. Negative B over A, so means that 5 over 2, 5/2. Okay, so then alpha beta equal to what? Yes, C over A, so P over 2. Boleh faham guys? So these are the two information. Okay, now you must form the new equation. Kamu kena bentuk persamaan baru. Okay, so you start with SOR. Kamu mula dengan hasil tambah punca. Okay guys, there is one equation you need to know here. When you form quadratic, right? Remember use this formula. Bila nak bentuk persamaan baru, guna rumus ni. This one. Alright? SOR2 HTP, POR HTP. Alright? Pernah nampak kan guys rumus ni? You all have seen right? This formula. Pernah gunakan bila bentuk persamaan baru. Always when you form new equation must use this formula. Alright? Okay, so kamu cari HTP dulu. Okay, so guys, when you see like this, right? Bila nampak macam ni, selalu kamu kena fikir macam mana saya nak dapat balik alpha tambah beta dan alpha beta. You must always think how do I get back these two information. Okay, sebab you want to substitute the value. Am I right? Kamu nak gantikan nilai dia. So you must get to the format of alpha tambah beta. Like here. Okay? So you see that 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 tu serupa kan? 2 is a common term. So kamu boleh faktorkan keluar. Bring the 2 outside. Okay, and then kamu gantikan. Alpha plus beta equal to 5 over 2. Then kamu cari nilai dia. Find the value. Okay, then you do 2 alpha minus 1 times 2 beta minus 1. Okay, this one is SOR, this one is POR. Alright, so then same concept. Okay, you try to factorize out the two. Okay, faktorkan 2 keluar selepas buat pengembangan kuadratik after your quadratic expansion. Okay, then you just substitute all the value, gantikan semua nilai, and then form the equation. Okay, so over here, you don't know the p value. Kamu takkan tahu nilai p. So you just leave your final answer like that. Itu adalah jawapan akhir. Okay guys, do you understand? One or two? Satu atau dua? Clear, right? Okay, so we go to question B. Soalan B. Okay, so question B, they say that y equal to x plus 1, touch the curve, sentuh lengkung. Okay guys, so what must you do first step? Whenever they say a line touch the curve, sesuatu garis menyentuh lengkung. So first step, what do you do? Anyone? Langkah pertama, bila dia cakap sentuh. Yes, very good guys. You have to equalize. Okay, samakan. So 2x square minus 5x plus p equal to x plus 1. X tambah 1. Alright? Yes. Okay, then you equal to 0. Okay, bagi semua ni ke sebelah kiri. You shift it all to the left hand side. Okay, so you get something like this. Kamu dapat macam ni. Alright? Okay, now guys, what is the concept untuk cari nilai P? Apa konsep dia sekarang? What method you must use? Anyone? Yes, pembeza layan guys. You must use the discriminant concept. Okay, because they say touch the curve. So guys, touch the curve means it touch at one point. Am I right? Dia sentuh satu titik saja. So guys, whenever a straight line touch the curve at one point, there is one name we have. Ada satu nama. Bila garis lurus sentuh lengkung pada satu titik saja. Apa nama kata kunci itu? Mula dengan huruf T. Start with letter T. Question will always use this. Yes. So whenever you see the word tangent, bila nampak perkataan tangent, selalu keluar idea ni. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Okay, always think of this idea guys. When you see tangent, this is the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay, so you can solve for the P value already. Okay, cari nilai P. Okay, so you just substitute all the information inside B square minus 4AC equals 0. Okay, then you will get the answer. Alright, are you clear guys? Senang kan? Okay, we already done question number 3. Sudah habis soalan ketiga. Okay, so we go question number 4. Soalan keempat. Okay guys, may I know, this chapter is what chapter? Soalan ni berkaitan apa? Anyone? What chapter? Yes. Okay, this one is your Form 4 Chapter 5, Progression. Okay, atau janjang. Okay, this chapter, they like to come out a lot of hard question also. Bab ni, penggubal soalan SPM suka tanya soalan susah. Okay, they like a lot of hard question. Okay, but over here, this one is not so hard. Okay, yang ni tak sangat susah. Okay, so first step, they ask you to show the common ratio is 1/2. Okay, come already. The showing question. Okay, soalan tunjukkan dah datang. Okay, so first step guys, you must use the information over here. Okay, so may I know, sum of first 4 term, hasil tambah 4 sebutan pertama. What is the symbol guys yang kamu boleh tulis? What is your symbol? Sum of first 4 term. More specific, they say 4 term, 4 sebutan guys. Hasil tambah 4 sebutan pertama. Yes. Okay, you will have S4 guys. Okay. Is. Bila nampak perkataan ialah. Is. You put equal. Sama dengan. Okay, and then you see the word 16. 16. So you write 16. Okay, next. Hasil tambah 4 sebutan berikutnya. Sum of next 4 term. Okay, may I know, what is the expression for this? Apa ungkapan dia? Hasil tambah 4 sebutan berikutnya. This one is a bit hard. You all must imagine and see. So can anyone type out? Hasil tambah 4 sebutan berikutnya. Maksudnya sebutan ke-5 sampai sebutan ke-8 lah. Okay, from term 5 to term 8. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is S8, minus S4. Okay, this is the answer guys. S8 tolak S4. Boleh faham guys? Kenapa dapat yang ni? Do you understand? Because mereka nak dari yang kelima ke yang 8. So kamu ambil hasil tambah 8 sebutan pertama, S8, sum of first 8 term, minus sum of first 4 term. 4 sebutan pertama. Okay? Alright. So now guys, this is geometric progression. Janjang geometry. Okay, so kamu guna rumus geometry lah. Okay, so you just substitute all the information dalam rumus kamu. Okay, over here look very complex, right guys? This equation. Pening kan? Nampak persamaan ni. Very long. Okay, your question is, you must show R equal to 1/2. Ini adalah matlamat kamu dari persamaan ni. You must show R equal to 1/2. Okay, how? So first step, you must get rid of A. Am I right? Kamu kena hapuskan A. Sebab dia nak nilai R sahaja. They only want R value. So A value, you must eliminate. Okay guys. So from this step, may I know what will you do over here? Kamu akan buat apa? Langkah ni. How will you modify now? Persamaan ni. Anyone got idea? Macam mana kamu nak modify yang ni? Supaya boleh hapuskan A. How do I eliminate A from this equation? Anyone? Cuba komen. It's time for you guys to think. Kamu kena fikir. How do I eliminate A? Macam mana nak hapuskan A? Kamu tak ada apa-apa benda nak substitute. Substitute tak boleh. Because question never give you any information guys on A value. Soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa tentang A. Okay, kamu boleh lihat. There is nothing about A value. Okay. Darab 1 per A. Sada. Darab 1 per A. Okay, boleh? Can? Okay. But actually got something better. Ada satu lagi kaedah lebih bagus sebenarnya. Okay guys, usually right, we don't like all this fraction. Okay, this fraction all we don't like one. Kita tak suka pecahan. So boleh nampak semua ni adalah sepunya. Betul? Okay, they are common term. Ungkapan yang sepunya. So kita boleh darab dia dengan nilai tu sendiri. Okay, we can times it with R minus 1 guys. So can you see? I times R minus 1 over A on both sides of the equation. Left and right. Okay, so that saya boleh potong. I can cut. So guys, you see? When I do like this, all the term already cut. Semua sebutan ni dah habis. Tak ada. So you guys see? Why I times R minus 1 over A? Lebih senang kan? Bila kamu darab R tolak 1 bagi A. So ini konsep dia. This is the concept. Okay, so now, bila kamu buat semua tu, you will get this equation. Kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. Okay guys, this is actually not quadratic. Ini bukan persamaan kuadratik because R kuasa 8, but we can make it to become quadratic. Kita boleh jadi dia persamaan kuadratik. So how guys? Can anyone tell me? How do I make this equation become a quadratic equation? Anyone? Okay, yes. So what do you factorize? Kamu faktorkan apa? What is the term you factorize? Ungkapan apa kamu faktorkan? You must always see the common term guys. Kamu kena nampak ungkapan yang sepunya kat persamaan ni. So what is the common term? Anyone? Senang saja. No, not cube root. Okay, so usually right guys, we will do this assumption. R power 4 correct. Okay guys, the answer is R power 4. R power 4 is the common term. Guys, can you see? R power 4 is factor of R power 8. Betul? And R power 4 is also factor of R power 4. Okay, so you can do an assumption. R power 4 is equal to X. Kamu buat anggapan ni. Okay, so why I do like this? Because I want to get the quadratic equation. 16 is not a factor of 17. Can you see this? Come okay? 16 is not a factor of 17. So you cannot factorize out. You cannot factorize 16. Okay, it must be a factor of both. Kena faktor bagi dua-dua sebutan ni. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so now you will get a quadratic equation. Persamaan kuadratik. Okay, so you just solve as normal. selesaikan kuadratik macam biasa, get your x value, dapat nilai x. Okay, so you have 2x value guys. Okay, you have x equal to 1 and x equal to 1/16. Okay, slowly. Saya terangkan sampai habis dulu. Nanti saya datang balik. Okay, nanti kamu boleh tanya sekarang soalan kamu. Bagian mana tak faham. Okay guys, so you got 2x value, right? Dua nilai x. Okay, so now, which value will you accept and which value will you reject? Mana antara dua ni kamu akan tolak? Which of these two value you are going to reject? Anyone? Try to think and see. Cuba fikir. Mana kamu akan reject? Very logic guys. Sangat logic. Yes. Why cannot be one guys? Kenapa tak boleh satu? So R power 4 equal to 1. Means that R equal to 1. Guys, kalau R sama dengan 1, kamu ada janjang geometri ke? If you have a common ratio of 1, do you have a progression? No, right? Because it's the same number. Dia adalah nombor sama. Maksudnya 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 sampai ke akhir. 8 until the end. Then only you can get common ratio 1. The both number must be the same. Then only you get common ratio 1. Am I right? Okay, dua nombor tu sama. Baru boleh dapat yang ni. Okay, so means that R power 4 is equal to 1/16. Okay, so R value, you can get 1/2 or negative 1/2. Betul? Kamu boleh dapat R yang positif atau negatif. Okay guys, but of course, you follow the question lah. Kamu lihat soalan. They want you to show that R equal to 1/2. So kamu dah buktikan. Can you all see it? Understand? 1 or 2? Satu atau dua? Can you all comment? Understand, right? So it's just about the assumption. Yang paling penting kat sini adalah anggapan dia. Kat sini. This is the most important step. You must understand the assumption. Okay, kalau kamu tak buat anggapan ni, kamu tak boleh selesaikan. You cannot solve the question. Okay? So anyone got question? Siapa-siapa ada soalan nak tanya berkenaan 4A? Anyone? Kalau tak ada, saya akan teruskan saja. If no number 2, then I continue. Okay? Alright. So next one. Soalan B. They tell you the difference between 4th term and 8th term is 120. Okay? Perbezaan dia adalah 120. So can anyone tell me an equation for this? Siapa boleh bagi saya satu persamaan berkaitan ayat ni? Anyone? Let me see. Yes, connected. Always will be connected, guys. It admits all the bahagian dia ada hubung kait dia. So you must use the answer above also. You must use this answer later on. Yes. So what is the equation, guys? You can form from this information. Apa persamaan kamu boleh dapat? Anyone? Yes. Okay, you will get T8 minus T4 equal to 120. Okay, kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. Okay, because they say the difference, perbezaan. Alright? Okay, so now, kamu guna sajalah rumus untuk jenjang geometri. Okay, so Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. This is your equation for geometry. Okay, so you just substitute the value. Gantikan nilai saja. They ask you to find the A value, guys. Cari nilai A. Alright, so R equal to half. Sebab tadi kita dapat yang ni. We get this answer. So you just substitute. Okay, and then selesaikan saja. Just solve the equation until you get the A value. Okay, guys? Can you understand? Boleh faham? Satu atau dua untuk soalan ni? 1 or 2? Come on, guys. Active a bit, Jangan sangat senyap. Nanti saya bosan saja mengajar kat sini. Later I very alone one. Yeah. Sometimes it's very alone when do this kind of discussion because it's all question only. Soalan saja. Wow. I know you're here. Okay. Next question. Sum of infinity. Collab bahasa macam apa nak kata? Dia takkan macam synchronize. Faham tak? Sebab satu orang ajar, lepas tu satu orang lagi ajar, so orang akan confuse. Sebab dua method berbeza. Betul kan? Setiap orang ajar ada kaedah berbeza. So lebih baik kalau satu orang ajarkan, kaedah dia akan maintain saja macam tu. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, so anyone, what is the formula for this? S infinity. Yes, just now I saw one person, A over 1 minus R. Okay, so this is the answer. Sorry, this is the formula. Rumus dia. Okay, so you just substitute the value. Gantikan nilai dia saja. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay guys, understand? Kita dah habis soalan keempat. We already done question number 4. Senang kan guys? Soalan SPM. Soalan SPM tahu yang ni. This is actual SPM question. So easy. Sampai soalan keempat dah senang. Okay, now we come to question 5. Soalan kelima. Okay, so this one is what chapter guys? May I know? Apa yang ni? This chapter you guys like lah the most in maths. Where got chapter 2? Are you sure? See carefully. Find the x and y. Cari nilai x dan y. No. Calm down guys. Tenangkan diri. Yes, this is your form 4 chapter 3 guys. Simultaneous equation. System of equation, sorry. Okay, system persamaan. Okay, so the concept is you must form one linear equation and one non-linear equation. Okay, then you use substitution method to solve. Okay, kamu bentuk satu persamaan linear, satu bukan linear. Lepas tu guna kaedah penggantian. Cari nilai x dan y. Okay, so over here they give you situation. So you must form the equation. Okay, so first equation. They say that the remaining area is this one. Okay, jumlah luas yang tinggal. Very hard guys. Guys, you try to imagine and see one linear, one non-linear. Can you use elimination guys? May I know? Satu persamaan linear, satu bukan linear. Susah kan? Very hard right? Non-linear means something like this guys. Ini maksudnya persamaan bukan linear. This is non-linear. Linear is something like this. So guys, may I know, how do you use elimination? Macam mana kamu guna kaedah penghapusan? Very hard right? Sangat susah. Yes, that's why we use substitution method. Kaedah penggantian. Alright? Okay, so now, they say that the remaining area is this one. Ini adalah yang baki. Okay, so the remaining area actually refer to this. Okay, ini adalah kawasan baki. Alright, so how to find this area guys? Macam mana cari luas yang ni? What is the concept that you all are going to use now? Anyone? Try to think and see. Cuba fikir. What is the concept to find that area? Anyone? Cuba fikir guys. Try to think and see. How do I get that area? Yes. Kecil tu adalah sector guys. This one is a sector. So the concept is kamu guna yang besar, tolak kecil. Betul? Yes. You take the total area minus the area of sector. Correct. Okay, so total area. May I know what is your answer guys? Apa jumlah luas bagi kawasan ni? What will be your total? Jumlah luas. Yes. Okay, 6xy. Correct. Okay, what is your area of sector guys? Apa nilai untuk sektor kamu? So this one you must think and see your formula for sector. So apa ungkapan dia guys? Luas sektor ni. What is your area of sector? No. Guys, that formula can only use for modern maths. Rumus tu hanya boleh guna pakai untuk modern maths. Remember maths? What is the formula guys for sector? Half R square theta. Am I right? Ini adalah rumus sektor kamu. Luas sektor. Area of sector. Okay, so your radius, they already tell you P is the midpoint of AD. Okay, maksudnya yang ni sama panjang. Yes, actually can lah. But the straightforward method is you think of the maths formula lah, guys. Guys, when you all learn maths, right? Why should you use the modern maths formula? Am I right? Think and see, guys. Cuba fikir. Kamu semua belajar maths kan? Mengapa nak guna tiba-tiba rumus modern maths? Am I right? Tak masuk, tak logik kan. Melainkan kalau ada situasi betul-betul tak boleh gunalah rumus selain modern maths punya. Okay, unless you have a situation where there is no NMaths formula, only modern maths formula can solve the question. Do you understand me? Boleh faham tak? That's why I advise you guys always use the NMaths formula. Just maintain at the NMaths. Okay, jangan pergi modern maths pula curi formula. Okay, because the mark scheme usually don't give the modern maths. That's why I say usually maintain NMaths. Okay, so that you don't need to confuse yourself. Okay, jangan nak keliru nanti. Okay, so your radius here is 3x. Okay, guys, may I know my theta angle? What is my angle over here, guys? Apa nilai sudut saya dalam radian in radian unit. If kita guna formula NMaths dalam modern maths, tak boleh. Yang tu memang tak boleh dah. NMaths in modern maths cannot guys. Memang totally wrong. Yes, okay, pi over 2 guys. Our angle is pi over 2. 90 darjah adalah pi over 2. Am I right? Okay, so yang ni kamu dah boleh bentuk satu persamaan dah. Okay, so this is your first equation guys. Okay, you can refer here. Okay, so you... Okay, this is actually second equation lah. Ini adalah persamaan kedua. Okay, there is actually one more equation you can form here. Satu lagi persamaan. Okay, you can refer this information guys. AB is twice the length of arc PQ. Okay, AB adalah 2 kali ganda panjang lengkung PQ. Okay guys, may I know what is the formula for length of arc PQ? Apa rumus dia untuk panjang lengkung yang ni? Ataupun jawapan akhir pun kamu boleh bagi tahu. What is my answer for length of arc PQ? Apa ungkapan dia? Anyone? Cuba komen. What is your length of arc expression? Come on guys. Apa nilai dia? What is your expression for length of arc PQ? Panjang lengkung PQ. Tak perlu. Jangan guna rumus tu guys. Guys, always remember at maths, guna rumus ni. S equal to R theta guys. S equal to J theta. Okay, so your R value here is, yes. Okay, Ahmad correct. Okay, so 3x times pi over 2. Okay, so you will get 3 over 2 pi x. So this is your, 2 kali panjang. Okay, maksudnya kena darab 2. You must times your answer by 2. Okay, so this one times 2. Okay, so AB equal to this one. So AB adalah Y. Am I right? Y sama dengan AB. So Y is equal to 3 pi X. Boleh faham guys? Do you understand? So this is your second equation. 2 persamaan. Okay, so now you already have the 2 equation. 2 persamaan ni. So you just substitute. Okay, this equation you substitute inside here. Gantikan kat sini. I didn't know this solution from school. Which solution? This question is it? Okay, so you just substitute, then you solve the equation only. Pi variable you can eliminate guys. Kamu boleh hapuskan pi. Can you see? Pi. When you have pi on left hand side and right hand side, you can cancel off already. No need to sub because you can cancel off over here. It's a common term. So you don't need to sub any value. You cancel off each other. Okay. So you finally will get a quadratic equation like this. Okay, kamu akan dapat persamaan kuadratik. Okay, factorize, faktorkan, get your answer. Okay, negative value pasti reject lah because we are talking about length, panjang. Panjang tak boleh negative. Okay, then you substitute x equals 6 in any of the equation. Ganti dia dalam mana-mana persamaan, get your y value. Okay guys, are you all clear? Soalan ni 7 markah tau guys. Jangan main-main. 7 marks this question. Just one question 7 mark. So can score right? Boleh score kan 7 markah ni. Sangat senang lah guys. Very simple. Just don't make careless mistake. Jangan buat kesilapan cuai. You can get the 7 mark already. Okay? Alright, next question guys. Your favorite chapter already come guys. So bab yang kamu suka sangat. What chapter is this guys? Your favorite? Yang ni semua orang gerun. Bila nampak bab ni, a lot of you don't like. Yes, your Form 5 Chapter 6 guys. 3 go. Bab ni, killer chapter in maths. Okay, bab yang akan membunuh semua orang. Oh, you love it No wonder you get 88 lah in paper 2. Because paper 2 memang akan ada satu soalan trigo. Definitely soalan trigo akan keluar. Especially the proving. Yes. Bahagian buktikan guys. This one. One cannot. Usually this question is section A guys. Tak boleh skip. Section A kena jawab semua soalan. Section A got 7 question. This is question number 6. Soalan ke-6. So you must do. Kena buat. Okay? Alright guys. So let's see how to prove this guys. Macam mana nak buktikan yang ni? Okay. So first step, I always will tell you guys. I give you all the tips lah guys. You always start to prove from the harder side. Okay, mula buktikan dari bahagian persamaan yang lebih susah. So guys, kamu semua bagi tahu saya, bahagian A ataupun bahagian B, mana lebih susah kat sini? Which term look more complex? Mana yang nampak lebih kompleks dan susah? A atau B? A kan? Yes, correct. So maksudnya, macam mana B boleh lebih kompleks? Guys, lihat betul-betul. A yang ni, B yang ni. Kalau ada simbol tolak, maksudnya dia dah lebih besar. Betul? Okay, it's a bigger expression. Satu ungkapan yang lebih kompleks. Okay, yes. That's why kita mula dari sini dan cuba dapat yang ni. Always like that. Kita mula yang lebih susah ke yang lebih senang. Okay? Kalau orang kata kat saya, boleh tak saya buat macam ni? Code X, dapat yang ni pula. Boleh? Can? You can start from this one and get this one. Yang ni pun boleh. So you have two methods to solve the question. Dua kaedah. As long as you get the answer, your answer is correct. Okay, but it's better to go from the left hand side to the right hand side. Lebih senang. Kiri ke kanan. Okay? Alright guys. So now, this is what we call as the half angle formula. Okay, rumus setengah sudut. Have you all heard of it guys? Half angle formula. Means the angle is half lah. Angle usually is X. Am I right? Sudut kita biasanya X. Sekarang X per 2. Okay, so this is called as half angle formula. Okay, now you must think and see how to change this. Macam mana nak convert. Okay guys, first step. Cotangent X. Cotangent X sama dengan apa guys? Can you all tell me? What do you know? Apa rumus yang kamu tahu? Cot X equal to what? Ya, yang ni sangat penting. This one is important. Okay, cos over sin selain yang tu, other than cos X over sin X, ada satu lagi. There's one more. Cot X equal to, ada rumus yang 1 per 1 over. Yes, 1 per tangent X. Okay, why I say this guys? Kenapa saya kata yang ni? Sebab saya lihat satu tangent X kat sini. I see a tangent over there. So ini cara minda kamu berfikir. Okay, kamu lihat tangent di sebelah kiri, means that on the right hand side also have tangent. This one not given. This formula not given guys. Kamu kena hafal rumus ni. Alright? No other method. Must memorize. Okay, so now you must think and see. Do I want to change tangent or cotangent? Kamu nak ubah apa guys sekarang? What do you all want to change? What do you all think? Kamu nak mula ubah apa guys? Yes. Okay, kamu kena mula ubah cotangent. Okay, why I change cotangent? Because saya nak dua-dua sebutan juga tangent. Okay, I want to change it all in tangent. Okay, so the step is something like this. Okay, so first step, cotangent X over 2 equal to 1 over tangent X over 2. Betul? Ini adalah rumus dia. Okay, so now guys, you can try to combine them. Cuba gabungkan mereka jadi satu pecahan tunggal. Make them a single fraction. Okay, because our answer is only one term. Am I right? Jawapan kita satu sebutan saja. So kita kena jadikan dua sebutan ni jadi satu. We must make two term become one. How? Make them become one fraction. Combine mereka jadi satu pecahan saja. Okay? Alright? So, ya macam tu lah. Okay? So, kamu kena combine sajalah. Okay, so you see the common denominator guys. Apa penyebut yang sama? Yang ni kan? This is the common denominator. So, kamu bagi yang ni. Okay, lepas tu kamu isi yang atas. Fill up the top. Okay, you all know right how to do this. Konsep dia macam ni guys. How do you all do this one? Macam ni lah. Okay, kamu letak 6, lepas tu 3 tambah 3. Betul? This is the concept over here. Sama konsep saja. Okay, so next step, kamu kena tukar lagi. Okay, you must change some more term guys. Okay, so over here, let me see ya. Okay, so tangent x over 2 guys. Tangent x over 2. Kamu boleh ubah dia. Okay, you can change it some more. Okay, so you can change it to become this one. Okay, kamu boleh ubah dia macam ni. Okay, so this one, right? Tangent square x over 2, I can write as tangent x over 2 and also tangent x over 2. Am I right? Okay, dia macam ni lah. Okay, so tangent x over 2 actually got the formula. Betul? Ada satu rumus kan about tangent. Okay, so if you still remember tangent, tangent 2x sama dengan apa guys? Tangent 2x is equal to, let me think and see. Siapa ada rumus dia? Saya pun dah lupa. I also forget already. What is the formula? Yang tu diberi kat depan. There is one formula. Tangent 2x. Let me think and see. I think is, wait guys. I search and see. Saya pun dah lupa. Tangent square x formula. Tangent 2x formula. Tangent 2x identity. This one is given actually. Okay. I get it already. Okay, 2 tangent x over 1 minus yang ni. Pernah nampak kah guys? Formula ni. This one is given. Tangent 2x equal to 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent square x. Okay. So now you must try to change the formula. Kamu kena cuba ubah dia jadi tangent x over 2. Do you guys see it? So guys, tangent x over 2 macam mana? How do I change this? Okay, very simple. Okay, 2x, kamu nampak x dan x. Betul? Okay, 2x, you have x on top and x on bottom. Okay, so means that if x over 2, kalau x berdua, dari sini ke sini, kamu bagi 4. Betul? You divide by 4. Okay, and then over here, you divide by 2. Kat sini bagi 2. Okay, so kalau atas tu bagi 2, kat sini dapat apa guys? 2 tangent. Yang ni pun kena bagi 2 lah. Okay, so x over 2 divide 2, you get x over 4. Okay, same concept here. 1 minus tangent square x over 4. Okay, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Kalau guna rumus ni lah, if you use this formula, boleh juga. Okay, you can use this concept also. Okay, over here they change it slightly differently. Mereka ubah dia sedikit berbeza. Okay, so over here, I think what they do is they change the position only. Mereka ubah kedudukan mereka saja guys. Okay guys, very important step here. Slowly ya. Okay, I know what they do already. Saya tahu dah. Okay guys, cuba kamu permudahkan yang ni. Try to simplify this whole thing guys. Kamu dapat yang ni kan? You get this right? Because this one you pull on top. So you get 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over tangent x over 2. Betul? So kamu dapat balik kan jawapan ni bagi yang ni. Am I right? So that's why yang ni dia sama dengan yang ni. It's exactly the same. Mereka hanya buat satu pearl. They just add 1 over. So when you add 1 over, you must inverse this thing. Kamu kena terbalikkan yang ni. So that's why you get this one. Do you all understand? You just take 1 over this answer. So kamu kena tukar kedudukan. Pengangka jadi penyebut, penyebut jadi pengangka. Macam tu. Okay, numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. This is the step happening over here. Can you see denominator, numerator, numerator, denominator. Dia tukar kedudukan. Okay, just switch only. That's why you use 1 over. Okay. So now, bila kamu buat langkah ni, sangat senang dah. So guys, can you see this? Apakah yang ni guys? Yang ni baru saya tunjuk tadi. Tangent x, sorry ya. Tangent X over 2. Wait guys. Saya salin rumus silap ke? Wait guys, let me check and see. 2 tangent X over 1 minus. Okay, oh, I understand already. Okay guys, this one, right? You can see over here, they 1 over, okay. So they change it to become 1 over 2 tangent X. Mereka ubah dia jadi 1/2 tangent X. Berbeza guys. Okay guys, you can see this one is different. My one is tangent half X. Yang saya tunjuk tadi tangent half X. This one is half tangent X. Setengah daripada tangent X. Okay, so maksud dia, slowly ya guys. The question is difficult slightly. Okay, so kamu ada rumus ni kan guys? Just now I show you all. Saya tunjuk yang ni. So guys, may I know tangent X equal to what? Tangent X akan sama dengan 2 tangent. Okay, tengok pola dia guys. 2X become X. 2X jadi X. Jadi X akan dapat apa guys? X per 2 lah. Okay, because you divide by 2. Bahagi 2. So you get X over 2 bahagi 1 minus tangent square X over 2. Okay guys, cuba bandingkan yang merah dengan yang ni. So guys, what is the difference here? Apa beza dia guys? Yang merah dengan jawapan ni. Setengah kan? Setengah beza saja kan? It's just a half. Okay, sebab kalau kamu darab yang ni dengan setengah, you times this by half, you get this answer. Am I right? Kamu dapat jawapan ni kan? Do you all understand lah? Boleh dapat ke? That's why saya kali setengah daripada tangent X. Half tangent X. Understand me guys? 1 or 2? That's why you add half. Kamu kali setengah pada dua-dua belah persamaan. You times half on the left, you times half on the right. Okay, so you get tangent X over 2 over 1 minus tangent square X over 2. Boleh dapat guys? Respond a bit. Respond sikit guys. 1 atau 2. Okay, understand right? Macam mana dapat? Okay, then you just prove it lah. Buktikan saja. Okay, so your answer is 2 cotangent X. So yang paling susah kat sini adalah yang ni. This step is the hardest. Macam mana kamu tukar yang ni jadi yang ni? Banyak orang takkan fikir yang ni. Betul? A lot of you won't think of that step. Okay, you just need to switch the position. Tukar kedudukan sahaja. Okay, because it can help you to get the format of tangent half X. Half tangent X. Setengah tangent X. Okay, you can get this format. Okay guys? So can I proceed? Boleh continue? Okay, so that one is 6A lah. Okay, so next question. Soalan 6B. Okay, they ask you to draw the modulus graph guys. Okay, lukis graph modulus. Okay, now guys, this one sama dengan apa guys? May I know? Sama dengan yang ni lah. Okay, sebab kamu dah buktikan tadi. You already proven. Okay, so means that you must just draw the graph of 2 cotangent X minus 1. So boleh lukis tak guys? Can you all draw this graph? Should be able to, right? Sepatutnya boleh lukiskan. Okay, how to draw guys? Sangat senang. Letak nilai sahaja. Just put values. Okay, kamu boleh lukis jadual. Just draw a table. Okay, so mereka kata 0 until 360. Okay, so 0. Okay, what other point you want to plot guys? Kamu nak plot lagi apa? 90 boleh, 180 boleh, sampai 360 lah. 180, 270, 360. Boleh guys? So you just need to plot some points. Plot 5 titik. I rasa cukup dah. Should be enough. Okay, then tekan calculator saja. Just press. Okay, so you know cotangent is 1 over tangent. Am I right? So kamu boleh ubah 2 per tangent X modulus minus 1. Okay, so ini adalah persamaan terbaru kamu. Okay, 2 over tangent X minus 1. Okay, so now you just fill in the value lah. Gantikan nilai saja. Okay, so you tekan lah. Tangent 0, you get 0. So guys, bila tangent dapat 0, automatically tak ada nilai lah. Bagi yang ni, there is no value. Okay, so maksudnya nilai dia negatif 1. Am I right? Because minus 1 at the back. Lepas tu ulang saja. Tekan tangent 90. Tangent 90, mad error guys. Mad error means what? Infinity. Betul? Mad error. Okay, so maksudnya kamu tak akan dapat lukis graf kat sini. Okay, so you just put dash lah, letak dash. Okay, lepas tu tangent 180. Okay, you get 0. Okay, tangent 180, 0. So means also infinity. Okay, so yang ni pun dash. Okay, sampai kamu buat 360. Okay, until you do 360, you will get this answer. So guys, can you see here? You have a dotted line. Kamu ada satu garis kat sini. Okay, so this is where is infinity. Graf tu pergi ke infinity. Dari negatif sampai ke infinity. Lepas tu satu lagi graf turun balik. It come back down. Okay, because 2 pi, the value is negative 1. 2 pi sama dengan negatif 1. Okay, can you guys understand? 1 or 2 guys? Satu atau dua tentang graf ni? Can, right? Boleh kan? Come on guys. 1.5 ya. Wow, sangat-sangat faham lah maksud dia. Okay, very good. Okay, next part. Soalan kedua. They all ask you, state the range of M. Okay, nyatakan julat M kalau tak ada penyelesaian. No solution guys. Okay, so bila tak ada penyelesaian guys, cuba lihat graf ni dan bagi tahu saya, julat M mana kamu takkan ada penyelesaian? Anyone? What M value you will have no solution? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Sangat senang. Very simple. No solution mean what guys? Tak ada penyelesaian maksud dia apa? Tak ada graph. Betul? When you have no solution mean that you cannot draw the graph. Kamu tak boleh lukis graph. So apa nilai M dia kat situ? Okay, Y sama dengan M. So maksudnya dia adalah garis mendata. Horizontal line. So kamu lihat graph lah. Refer your graph guys. Your lowest point is, yes, correct Anas. M tu lebih kecil dari negative 1. Okay, because when your graph is lower than negative 1, you don't have graph. Kamu tak ada titik nak plot. Kalau M tu lebih kecil dari negative 1. Okay, you imagine lah guys. If M is negative 2, kalau M sama dengan negative 2, garis ni dia silang graph ke tak? Does your line cut the graph? No, right? Garis tu tak silang. Kalau Y sama dengan negative 2. So means that no solution lah. Tak ada penyelesaian. You must remember guys, solution means the number of intersection point. Okay? Penyelesaian tu maksudnya bilangan titik persilangan. Garis ni dengan graf. Okay, itu maksudnya bilangan penyelesaian. Alright? Can guys? Boleh? Can you guys get it? For question 6? Okay, so kita dah habis soalan ke-6. Okay guys, so we continue Question number 7. Soalan ke-7. Okay, what chapter is this guys? Bab apa yang ni? Anyone? See carefully. Tengok soalan betul-betul. So what chapter guys? Anyone? Which form? Okay, correct. Okay, you can say quadratic also. Sedikit quadratic lah. But mainly is Form 5 Chapter 3. Okay? Form 5 Chapter 3. Mainly. Okay, and also combine Form 5 Chapter 2. Correct. Okay, dua-dua bab ni sebenarnya. One question. Okay? Alright. So first question guys. They ask you to show, tunjukkan, the distance of EH is 3 plus P meter. Best tapi soalan ni susah sikit. This question is not that easy. Which form does not mean I know how to do though. Guys, do you all know why I ask you this question? Kenapa saya tanya kamu soalan ni dari bab mana dan tingkatan berapa? Do you all know why I ask you this question? Kamu tahu tak? Kenapa saya kena tanya soalan ni? Okay, why I ask this is because whenever you think what chapter it is, the information regarding that chapter will come to your mind. Do you understand me? Bila kamu fikir soalan ni berkaitan bab apa, semua rumus, semua info dari bab tu kamu akan ingat bila lihat soalan ni. Faham ke tak? Itu pentingnya kamu identify soalan ni dari bab apa. That's why you must know this question, what chapter. So that all the information will come to your mind. Do you understand guys? Boleh faham ke tak? So that's the reason. Okay. So now they ask you to find the distance EH. Okay. So you have to refer to the question lah. Lihat soalan. Okay, so they say, okay, so first information, gradient function. Okay, so guys, may I know gradient function, fungsi kecerunan, apa simbol dia guys? Come on, what is the symbol? Fungsi kecerunan, gradient function. Cepat guys, what is the symbol? Yes, okay, symbol is dy over dx. Selalu ingat, perkataan ni maksud dia dy over dx. Fungsi kecerunan gradient function. Alright, okay, so you know dy dx equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, so this is an important information. Okay, so you can already find one value. Kamu boleh cari nilai x dah. Okay, so you can refer over here. Okay, so you just let dy dx equal to 0. Okay, bagi dia sama dengan kosong. Okay, so why I do that? Okay guys, may I know which point, titik mana dy over dx akan sama dengan kosong? Anyone? Okay, you got one information here. GH adalah sama dengan 2P. Alright, GH is equal to 2P. So guys, dy over dx kat sini akan sama dengan kosong. Betul? Because this is the maximum point guys. Titik maximum, dy over dx sama dengan kosong. Okay, so means that the concept is I'm finding what coordinate is this. Apa coordinate dia? So maksudnya saya akan tahu dah jarak ni secara tak langsung. Do you all understand? If I find out this coordinate, I already know the distance from E to this point. Sebab nilai X tu mewakili jarak dari E sampai titik lah, titik yang tu. Okay, you must imagine guys, kamu kena bayangkan paksi kamu macam ni. You must imagine your axis is something like this. Do you understand me or not? Then only kamu boleh faham. Maksudnya kosong kat sini. Okay? Do you get the logic guys? Boleh dapat kan? Kamu kena lukis paksi kamu sendiri. You must draw your own axis. Okay, so that you understand better. Okay, so now you solve lah. Okay, dy dx equal to 0. Maksudnya kamu dapat x equal to 3. Okay, so x equal to 3 mean what? Apa maksud dia guys? Kalau x sama dengan 3. Maksudnya, the distance from here to here is 3. Am I right? So kamu tanda lah. Okay, the distance is 3. Okay, now, axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi simetri. Okay guys, may I know this distance, jarak yang ni, berapa? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? G kepada paksi simetri, apa jarak dia? Ataupun H kepada paksi simetri. Dua-dua jarak ni sama. So apa nilai dia guys? What is the value? Can anyone tell me? Anyone? Come on. What is the value? Apa nilai dia? Yang biru punya. Hello guys. 44 orang masih hidup. Biru guys, biru. The blue color. Saya dah katakan jarak dia sama. The length is the same. Maksudnya 2P ni kamu bagi dengan 2. Betul? Sebab dia adalah titik tengah guys. Midpoint. Yes. Okay, nilai dia adalah P guys. Boleh faham? So now saya tanya. Yang hijau ni berapa guys? What is the value of the green one? Saya tengah tunjuk sekarang macam mana kamu analisis soalan. How you analyze the question. So green color berapa? Berdasarkan lukisan saya. Anyone? Yes. 3 minus P. Betul? So now kamu boleh tunjuk EH. Am I right? So EH sama dengan EG tambah GH. Okay, EG equal to 3 minus P. GH equal to 2P. So kamu tambah dua-dua. So dapat tak guys jawapan ni? Dapatlah. Okay, 3 minus P plus 2P equal to what guys? 3 plus P. Senang tak guys soalan buktikan? Sangat senang sebenarnya. So easy. I get the answer di. It's just logic guys. Tak ada kiraan yang sangat bombastic. Logic saja. Logic based on the diagram. Okay, yang penting kamu kena tahu mana paksi kamu kena lukis. Where you should draw your axis. That is the most important thing. Kalau kamu tahu yang tu, boleh dapat dah. Okay? Alright. Next question guys. They ask you to express the area of the banner. Okay, ungkapkan luas sepanduk. Alright? So how to express the area guys? Okay, you must refer to the diagram again. Kamu kena lihat. Okay, so your banner is ABCD. Okay, so kamu kena cari luas yang ni lah. Okay, so guys, this distance kamu ada kan? You already have this information. Okay, jarak dia adalah 2pi. Betul? So sekarang kita tak tahu yang ni. We don't know this information now. So macam mana nak dapat yang ni? How to get this information? Okay, we can use the gradient function, guys. Guna fungsi kecerunan ni. So guys, what should I do to the gradient function? May I know? Apa yang saya kena buat pada fungsi kecerunan sekarang? Adakah saya bezakan atau kamikan? Do I differentiate or integrate? What do you all think? Yes. Okay guys, why I integrate? Kenapa saya nak kamikan? Sebab saya nak dapatkan persamaan lengkung, guys. I want to get the equation of the quadratic curve. Okay, kalau saya kamikan yang ni, saya akan dapat ungkapan kuadratik. Betul? Sebab x kuasa 2. Okay, you will get x power 2. Okay, so this one you just use indefinite integral. Kamiran tak tentu. Okay, you get plus c. Okay, so now, kamu kena gantikan satu titik, guys. You must substitute a point. Okay, so very simple, guys. Tadi saya dah bagi tahu kan, paksi saya kat sini. Okay, I already assume my axis is here. So guys, what is the y-intercept of this curve? Apa pintasan y lengkung ni, guys? Yes, kosong. Maksudnya c sama dengan kosong lah. Okay, your c value is equal to 0. Okay, so my equation is 6x minus x square. Boleh faham tak, guys? Senang kan? Okay, you already get your equation. Okay, now, saya nak cari lebar dia. I want to find the width, guys. Okay, so how to find the width? Saya kena gantikan apa, guys? Means I want to find this coordinate. Saya nak cari coordinate C sekarang. So what should I substitute? Saya kena substitute panjang EH. Betul? I substitute EH equal to 3 plus P. Okay, because when I substitute this, saya tengah cari apa coordinate Y. What is the Y coordinate for C? Do you all understand me, guys? Boleh dapatkan why I do like this? Kenapa saya buat macam ni? Okay, I substitute X equal to 3 plus P. Okay, so saya boleh dapat nilai Y bagi koordinat C. Sebab dia adalah garis menegak, straight line. So, semua akan kongsi nilai X yang sama. They all will have the same X value. Okay? So, kamu gantikan sajalah. Just substitute in the equation. Okay, kamu akan dapat nilai Y yang ni. Okay, so this is your C coordinate. Okay, sekarang, kena hati-hati sikit. You must be careful. Okay, so over here, the value you get, right? Nilai yang kamu dapat tadi was 9 minus P square. Okay, so 9 minus P square sebenarnya mewakili C kepada H. You must understand. From C until the H. Tapi sekarang saya nak yang ni, guys. I want to know this one. So, saya kena tahu yang ni. Am I right? So, how to know that? Macam mana tahu yang tu? Okay, you see the question, guys. Lihat soalan. So, can you see? Tinggi AB dari tanah adalah 1 meter. Okay, the distance from the ground is 1 meter. So guys, you can substitute 1 over here. Yes, you just take 9 minus P square minus 1 tolak 1. Okay, and then times 2P. So kamu dah dapat jawapan. Senang tak, guys? Very simple, right? So simple. Kamu dah dapat jawapan. Understand? Boleh dapat, guys? Clear, right? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Okay, 1 Okay, next one. They tell you the cost to make the banner is RM40 per meter square. So they want you to count the total cost. And area is maximum. Luas maximum. Maksudnya apa, guys? Bila nampak luas maximum, maksudnya apa, guys? What is the meaning when your area is maximum? Very simple concept. You will do what concept? What is the equation? Apa persamaan kamu akan dapat? You will get dl over dp equal to 0. Correct. Very good, guys. Okay, this is the concept. Maksudnya kamu bezakan sajalah persamaan ni. Just differentiate your answer. Okay. And then find the p value. Cari nilai p. Substitute back in the equation. Gantikan dalam persamaan ni. Your p value. And then times 40. Kenapa kena darab 40? Sebab dia suruh cari cost, guys. 1 meter RM40. Yes, 1 meter RM40. So, berapa meter? Ungkapan kamu tu kamu nak cari cos kat sini. So that's why darab lah. You just times. Okay. So you're using the ratio concept nisbah. Okay, and then you count, you will get the answer. Dapat jawapan. Okay guys, are you all clear for this question? Boleh? Can, right? Okay, this one is 10 marks. 10 markah guys. Jangan main-main. 10 marks, you know. So 1 or 2. Are you all clear? 1 atau 2. All the people here. 39 people. Okay, still surviving masih hidup Okay guys, so now we are coming to section B. Bahagian B. Section A dah habis. Okay, so now section B saya akan hanya buat 3 soalan sebab kena pilih sahaja. Section B, 10 marks. Section A also can sometimes, but very rare. This case they put 10 marks lah. Okay. Alright guys. So section B, kamu semua kena bagi tahu saya. Kamu nak saya bincang soalan mana? Kamu pilih 3. Okay, yang ni soalan 8, yang ni soalan 9, yang ni soalan 10, yang ni soalan 11. Okay, kamu semua nak saya buat 3 yang mana? Okay, 9 lagi, 11, okay, satu lagi, 8 atau 10. Yang ni 10, yang ni 8. 8 Okay, so we do question 8, 9, 11. Okay, so question 8. Okay, what chapter guys? Your favorite lah, vector. Not hard. Tak sangat susah. Form 4, chapter 8. Skip what chapter? I don't understand. Okay, so this one is Form 4, chapter 8. Okay, so they ask you to express OP, guys. Kamu kena ungkapkan OP. Okay, so how? Kamu kena cari kombinasi lah. Okay, so OP is equal to OA plus AP. Betul? Ini adalah kombinasi dia. Okay, so OA, you already have this information. Kamu dah ada persamaan ni. Okay, and then AP is equal to 1/3 AB, guys. Okay, so may I know, AB sama dengan apa, guys? AB is equal to AO plus OB. Betul? AO negative A, OB B. So negative A tambah B. Alright? Okay, so then kamu boleh cari AP lah. Okay, AP equal to 1/3 negative A tambah B. Okay, so OP equal to OA tambah 1/3 negative A tambah B. Okay guys, clear kan? Boleh dapat kan? Macam mana dapat jawapan? Okay, so this is your answer. Ini jawapan dia. Alright, so the answer is this one. Selepas permudakan. Okay, so continue Next question. Okay, so next question they ask you to find OB. Cari OB. Okay, wait guys. OB sudah. Oh, I think here got typo code. I think the question is to find BQ, guys. Cari soalan BQ. Okay, this one is BQ not OB. OB already given. Okay, cari BQ. This one is wrong. Yang ni salah. Okay, so how to find BQ, guys? I also cannot remember. Maybe they print out wrongly. I think it's a printing error in the book. Because I think SPM was correct. This one is BQ. Alright? Okay, so BQ equal to what, guys? BQ is equal to BO plus OQ. Am I right? Okay, so BO, kamu ada informasi. OQ equal to KOP. OP adalah jawapan tadi. So gantikan saja. Just substitute your answer. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, guys? Boleh? Okay, so this is your answer for soalan yang kedua. Okay, make sure you simplify guys. Kamu kena permudahkan yang ni sampai dapat jawapan termudah. Get your simplest answer. Okay? So, yeah. Next question. Okay, soalan B. They ask you to find H and K, guys. Okay, guys. Bila suruh cari H dan K, maksudnya guna konsep apa, guys? What concept? Konsep yang biasanya kamu guna kalau nampak dua pemboleh ubah, two unknown, means that what concept, guys? May I know? Konsep apa kamu guna? Yes. Concept, guys. I want the concept. Yes. Form 4, chapter 3, guys. Simultaneous equation. Persamaan serentak. Selalu ingat, when they ask you to find H and K, P and Q, dua pemboleh ubah tak tahu, selalu fikir persamaan serentak. Bentuk dua persamaan. Form 2 equation. Alright? Okay, so kamu guna yang ni lah. use this information. Okay, BQ, kamu dah ada jawapan. BC, BC kamu kena carilah. Okay, BC equal to BO tambah OC. Okay, kamu boleh kata macam tu lah. Okay, BO tambah OC. Okay, kalau yang lain, saya rasa tak ada lah. Okay, BO plus OC. Okay, so OC, macam mana dapat jawapan dia? Okay, so kamu boleh lihat sini guys. Ada info. There is information. OC equal to 3OA. Okay, so OC sama dengan 3OA. OA adalah A. Okay, so kamu gantikan A lah. So OC sama dengan 3A. Alright, so then kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, you will get this equation over here. Alright, so then kembangkan, you expand the H inside kepada dua sebutan yang ni. Lepas tu bandingkan perkali sahaja. Just compare the coefficient. Okay, coefficient of B left hand side compare with coefficient of B right hand side. And then coefficient of A left hand side, right hand side, compare. Okay, dapatkan jawapan two simultaneous equation. Okay, so you have the answer like this. Ini adalah jawapan dia. Okay guys, senang kan? Very simple, right? Straightforward, right? Okay, alright. So we come to the question C. Soalan terakhir bagi nombor 8. Okay, BQ to QC guys. How to find out? Very simple guys. You already have your H value. Am I right? Kamu dah dapat nilai H. Okay, so just substitute. Okay, H value equal to 2/5. Okay, so mean that BQ equal to 2/5 BC. Okay, this is your equation. So, ratio tak sama maksudnya ratio tu salah ke? Ratio mana? Kamu maksudkan ratio yang mana? Ratio tak sama means ratio tu salah. Oh, kamu maksudkan bila gantikan kat sini ke? Dalam persamaan. Oh, yes lah. Kalau dia nampak tak logik, maksudnya jawapan kamu salah. Kamu kena rujuk balik raja guys. Okay, you refer your diagram. BQ kepada BC. Kamu sambungkan. BQ 2 kan? Sebab BQ sama dengan 2/5 BC. Okay, so 2, 5. So guys, nilai ni berapa? QC berapa? 3 kan? 5 minus 2. Okay, you get 3. Maksudnya, BQ kepada QC adalah 2 kepada 3. That's all. Okay, so BQ to QC is 2 to 3. Nisbah dia. Okay, boleh faham guys? Can you guys understand soalan 8? Okay, so we go next one. Okay, next one. Ada orang tanya 10 kan? Is it number 10? Let me check and see. 9. Number 9, right? 8, 9, 11. Okay, so number 9. Okay, guys. This one is what chapter? Berapa? Form 5, chapter 5. Am I right? Chapter 5, guys. Form 5, chapter 5. Normal binomial. Yes. Probability distribution. Suka tanya. Okay, so first one. They talk about normal. Okay, mereka bincang pasal normal. Okay, but careful. You see the question carefully. Random guys. Dipilih secara lawak. Tak sangat susah. Not difficult also. It's very basic. Okay. So now, when you see part A guys. Bahagian A. Bahagian A ni binomial atau normal? Which one? What do you all think? Binomial or normal? Bahagian A ni. Kalau kamu lihat structure soalan dia. Lihat cara soalan dia tanya. Is it a binomial question or normal question? Yang ni. Semua yang ni. Cuba lihat. Binomial guys. It's not normal. Okay, kena lihat betul-betul. You see carefully. It's binomial one. Sebab bawah normal. Am I right? Yang ni adalah normal distribution. Tabuhan normal. Yes. Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, so the first one is actually binomial. Okay, so n value sama dengan 8 because 8. And then untuk soalan pertama R sama dengan 8. Okay, and then kebarangkalian. Okay, so the probability mereka sudah bagi juga. Okay, so this is your P value, nilai P. Because they say mass less than 61. Okay, jisim kurang. Alright, so nilai Q apa guys? Nilai Q you just take 1 minus this answer. So, satu tolak jawapan. Alright, so you will get this one. Okay, your formula is NCR P power R, Q power N minus R. Alright? So you just substitute all the value. Gantikan nilai, tekan calculator. Dapat jawapan. Okay. So next one. Question 2. Question 2, they say at most, guys. Okay, so may I know, what is the inequality sign, guys? Apa simbol ketaksamaan? Selebih-lebihnya. Can anyone comment? Apa simbol ketaksamaan kamu? Yes. At most means macam ni. Selebih-lebihnya. 6. Okay, so it's something like this. So guys, kamu nak guna macam mana konsep dia sekarang? Kamu nak guna X equal 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Kamu nak buat macam ni ke? Are you all going to do like this? Buat macam ni? Yes or no? Adakah kamu akan tambah satu-satu macam ni? No, right? Kamu semua takkan guna yang ni sebab panjang. Betul? So you don't use this concept. So what other concept you can use? Satu tolak jawapan. 1 minus Px equal to 7 minus Px equal to 8. Betul. Tak kata kaedah ini salah, guys. This concept also correct. Tapi ambil masa. You guys must be efficient. Pick a method which is very efficient. Okay, yang cepat buat. Okay, so you can use this method. It's faster. Lebih cepat. Lebih kurang chance kamu buat silap juga. Okay, less risk for careless mistake. Okay, so kamu tekan calculator sajalah. This one all press calculator only. Okay, so clear, guys? Soalan A semua tentang binomial lah. 5 mark. Okay, you will get 5 mark already. Actually, sangat banyak markah tu. 5 mark for these two questions. Okay, so next one. This one is normal. Okay, so yang ni pun tak susah. Okay, they say mass less than 60.5 kg. Okay, jisim kurang dari 60.5. Okay, so your value is something like this lah. Kamu kena cari yang ni. Am I right? Okay, so before that, you must find your standard deviation. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai sisian piawai, guys. Because they only give you the mean. Okay, can you see that? So you must find your standard deviation. Kena cari sisian piawai. Okay, so first step, let me see. Okay, so you're going to use the Z-score. Kamu akan guna rumus score Z, guys. This is your formula. Am I right? Rumus score Z to score X. You're going to use this formula. So first step, find your standard deviation. Okay, so how to know your Z-score here, guys? Macam mana tahu score Z? Rujuk jadual. Refer your table. Okay, so you're going to get this answer. Kamu akan dapat 1.999. Okay, how to get this? Is based on the probability, guys. The probability of this one, 0.9772. Can you all see? So you must find your Z-score based on this statement. Cari score Z. Okay, so you can actually just solve this equation. Selesaikan persamaan ni. Okay, so you convert X score to Z score. So 61 minus 60 bahagi standard deviation. Okay, guys. So now you check and see. You all tell me. Adakah simbol ketaksamaan saya betul, guys? Kat sini untuk baca jadual. Is my inequality sign correct? To read the table? Yes or no? For Z score, if using calculator, yes. Correct. 3 decimal places. Yeah. So guys, is my sign correct? Adakah simbol saya betul kat sini? Yes or no? No, right? Dia tak betul. Okay, because remember dalam bab ni simbol ketaksamaan selalunya ke sebelah kanan. You must always point to the right. Baru boleh baca jadual. Okay, and then is our probability correct, guys? Adakah kita ada nilai macam ni dalam jadual? Tak ada kan? We only have value less than 0.5. Kurang dari 0.5. So you just use the concept 1 minus. Satu tolak jawapan. Okay, then you will get this equation. Okay, so you just take 1 minus 0.9772. Okay, then baca jadual 1 minus 0.9772. Kebarangkalian ni akan bagi score Z yang ni. Okay, this value will give you this score Z. Okay, you can refer table. Z score just baca ke kanan. Yes, correct. Okay, so then you solve the equation, you will get sigma. Okay, and then cari nilai ni lah. Probability x less than 60.5. Okay, so sekali lagi kat sini salah simbol ketaksamaan. your inequality sign must always point to the right. So that's why I take 1 minus. Bila kamu guna 1 tolak, automatically your inequality sign will switch, guys. Simbol ketaksaman dia akan tukar arah. It will change already when you use 1 minus. Okay? Then this one you just read the table. Baca jadual untuk nilai ni. Okay, and then you find the answer. Boleh, guys? Understand? Very simple, right? Sangat senang kan? Okay, so now we go question number 11. Soalan ke-11. Okay, guys. Oh, people ask linear law. Guys, kamu semua struggle lah linear law. Linear law ni kena dapat 10 markah lah, guys. Tutup mata kena dapat 10 markah. Because sangat standard. Oh, kamu tak buat sebab sangat senang ke untuk kamu? Rasa kot macam tu. Very simple lah, guys, this question. Trust me. Buang masa, tapi boleh score tau. Confirm you can get 10 mark here compared to other question. Okay, guys. First question. They ask you to plot y square root x against x. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena ubah lah. Macam mana boleh salah plot? Ayo. Okay. So, kamu kena buat satu lagi kolom lah. You just draw the table. Must draw table lah, guys. Kena lukis jadual nilai. Okay, so you just use calculator, find all this value. Cari nilai dia. Yang tu saya tak perlu tunjuk lah. Sangat senang. Okay, so after you press calculator, you should get all this value. Dapat semua nilai ni. Okay, and then try to maintain your decimal place. Okay, bagi titik perpuluhan yang sama. Kat sini 2. Okay, you must follow the scale. Okay, kamu kena ikut skala yang diberi. Alright, so you just plot the point, plot semua titik, you get something like this. Okay, so then draw your best fit line, guys. Okay, lukis garis penyuaian terbaik. Must be best fit, ah. So this one is your best fit. Okay, so mengapa best fit? 1, 2. Okay, I think over here, right, is not really best fit. Kat sini tak sangat best fit, saya rasa. Okay, sebab 2 bawah, 4 atas. 2 on the bottom, and then 4 on top. Minimum point yang patut kena. Tak semestinya. As long balance, guys. Asalkan titik kamu balance cukup dah. 3 atas, 3 bawah. Macam tu. Yes. Titik yang kena garis. Okay. If can, you try to pass through all the point. Kalau boleh, cuba lalui semua titik. Kalau tak boleh, kamu kena balance lah. 2 on top, 2 bottom. 3 on top, 3 bottom. Macam tu. Alright? So jawapan dia takkan sama antara kamu semua. All the answer will be different. So jangan risau. Okay, as long your value nanti untuk soalan ni betul, maksudnya graf kamu betul lah. Okay, your graph is correct already. Okay? So, yeah. So any question about the graph, guys? You want to ask? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya pasal graph? Tak ada kan? Okay, very straightforward lah. Okay? Okay, kamu lihat soalan dia. Okay, so first one. They ask you to find the value of y when x equal to 5.7. Okay, so yang ni, they ask you to find the value of y. Okay, so kamu kena lukis lah. Garis lurus. X equal to 5.7. Okay, you draw a straight line. Macam ni. Kena graph. Baca nilai kat sini. Read the value. Okay, so guys, you must take note. Is this your y value, guys? Adakah ini nilai y? Yes or no? All of you here? Okay, remember. Selalu check paksi kamu, guys. Dalam hukum linear. Paksi kamu tu sangat penting. Your axis is very important. Okay, so it's actually y square root x. Okay, so means that y square root x equal to 8.3. Dan x sekarang saya adalah 5.7. Okay, so then you just press calculator, get your answer. Dapat jawapan. Boleh? Can, right? So you should get y equal to 3.476. Okay, so now guys, untuk yang tanya kecerunan tadi, okay, you must answer B2. Okay, so first step, they ask you to write in linear form. Tulis dalam bentuk linear. Okay, so macam mana nak modify, guys? This is your original equation. Okay, so first step, what will you do, guys? Kamu rasa buat apa dulu? All of you here. What are you guys going to do now? First step. Okay, first step, kamu boleh bawa A ke sebelah kanan. Okay, you shift the A to the right hand side. Okay, so you will get y equal to B over A square root x plus 1 over B, sorry ya, 1 over A square root X. Alright? So now, kamu nak dapat Y square root X. Betul? So you just times square root X lah. Kat dua-dua belah persamaan. Okay, you just times it left and right. Okay, so you will have Y square root X equal to B over AX plus 1 over A. Nampak tak guys? Y equal to M X plus C. Dapat tak guys? Can you all see? So M equal to B over A. C sama dengan 1 per A. Okay, so can you find your A and B? Can already lah. Okay, so first step, kamu refer pintasan Y kamu. Look at your Y-intercept. Okay, jangan risau, jawapan akan ada julat dia guys. The answer will have a range 1 for your A and B value. So tak semestinya kena ikut jawapan yang ditunjukkan kat sini. Okay, so gradient, first step, kecerunan kamu boleh pilih mana-mana titik lah guys. Okay, biasanya jangan guna titik yang ada dalam jadual. Don't use the point that you draw the table. Guna mana-mana titik atas garis ni. Use any other point on the line. Dan guna titik yang sejauh mungkin. Use the 2 point that is furthest so that your triangle is larger. Bila segitiga lebih besar, nilai kecerunan lebih tepat. Okay, the larger the triangle, the better your gradient. Okay, so always choose the 2 furthest points. At least setengah daripada panjang garis. Itu advice saya. Okay, take the 2 points that is at least half the distance of the line. Alright? So nanti kamu kira lah macam ni. Okay, so Y-intercept, nilai dia takkan sama untuk semua orang. Your Y-intercept value will be different one. Okay, so then just selesaikanlah cari your A and B value. Okay, so understand guys? Boleh dapat? Sangat standard lah. Okay, it's a very simple procedure. Okay, so 1 or 2 guys, 1 atau 2, kita dah habis bahagian B. We already complete section B. Okay, now 1 or 2, cepat guys. 1 atau 2. Do you understand this question? Yes or no? Come on. Tertidur ke semua? Wake up, wake up. Okay, now we are coming section C already guys. Bahagian terakhir. Okay, section C. Come on. Okay, so now guys, you all tell me, kamu nak saya bincang soalan mana? 2 soalan saja. Okay, so you all know the question lah. So kamu bagi tahu saya, kamu nak mana? SOT, linear programming, index, or kinematic? Kamu semua nak apa? What do you all want? Choose 2. 13, 14. 13, 14 means that index and also linear programming. Oh, ada orang nak SOT ya. Guys, majority nak apa? Kamu bagi tahu saya nombor apa? SOT nak Okay, so SOT confirm 12. Warren, you don't want 13 Follow je. Okay, tak apalah, I bincang SOT lah guys. Usually, I would like to bincang SOT and index number. Cikgu kamu semua suruh buat 2 yang ni kan? Form 4 bab 9 dan bab 10. Betul? Sebab dia sangat senang. Usually. Okay, chapter 7 and chapter 8 form 5 lebih susah. So I discuss 12 and 13 lah. Okay, because lebih senang. Alright? Okay, so we see question 12. Okay, so this one, they ask you to find the value of P. Cari nilai P. Okay, so they give you information. This one is square root P. Okay, ini adalah punca kuasa 2P and KMN is 11, wait guys, 10. Okay, KMN is 110. Okay, so now guys, how do I find the P value? Macam mana boleh cari nilai P? Okay, what rule are we using guys? Kita guna petua apa? Very simple, sangat mudah. What rule guys? Come on. Very simple. Anyone? Petua apa? What rule are you all using? Hello? Guna petua apa? Guys, come on. Are you sure? Betul ke sinus? Let me see ya. Saat saya nampak. Boleh ke tak? Cannot. Sinus lah boleh guys. Yes. Cos guys. Guys, fokus mata kamu pada segitiga ni. Guys, can you see you got 3 length? Kamu ada 3 panjang yang sudah diberi. First length, sada. First length, second length, third length. Okay, kamu ada 3 panjang. Dan kamu ada satu sudut. 3 side, 1 angle. What formula guys? Pastilah cosinus lah. Okay, sebab rumus dia macam ni. Am I right? This is your cosine rule. So guys, lihat. Satu sudut, 3 panjang. So bolehlah. Boleh guna rumus ni. You can use this formula. This is how you choose guys. Okay? So you can substitute, gantikan semua nilai, press calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so your P value is equal to 124. Okay? Alright. Next one. They ask you to find the L value. Cari nilai L. Okay, so L represent your area guys. Total area untuk quadrilateral ni. Okay, how to find the total area? Okay, so first step, cari luas segitiga yang ni. Okay, find this area. So guys, may I know what is the formula for area guys? You all learn Form 4 Chapter 9, Bab 9. Apa rumus dia? Segitiga? Yes, very good. Masih ingat ah? Sin C ya, kena ada huruf C. Half AB sin C. Correct. Okay, so ini adalah A, B, C. Okay, kamu dah boleh dapat luas. Okay, so now this one. Okay, this one we don't have much information. Tak ada banyak info. Okay, but then kita dah dapat nilai P. Am I right? Okay, your P value is 124. Okay, so maksudnya this one is square root 124. Okay, so now this one is 110. Okay, so kamu boleh cari luas dia. You can find the area guys. So first step, you must use the sine rule. Okay, kamu kena guna petua sinus untuk segitiga yang ni. Okay, cari satu lagi panjang. Find another length guys. Okay, kamu boleh cari panjang yang ni. Okay, can you see guys? Opposite angle and side. Sudut dan sisi yang bertentangan. So, kamu guna petua cosinus saja untuk yang ni. Petua sinus. Okay, sine rule. So, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, kat sini mereka cari MN lah. Tak apa. Boleh juga. You can also find MN guys. Yang ni saya cari KM. Okay, boleh juga. Depend which one you want. Bergantung pada kamu. Alright. So, kat sini mereka dapat MN. Okay, so MN, kamu boleh cari nilai dia. Okay, so you just take half square root 124 times MN tadi 7.617 times sin 30. Boleh dapat guys? Ini adalah ungkapan luas kamu. Your area. Can get it guys? 1 or 2? So kamu tambahlah. Dua-dua luas ni dapat jumlah luas. Okay, just add up. Okay. So next one. So come to your favorite part guys. Kamu semua tak suka yang ni kan? Lakakan bentuk lain. Yang ni banyak orang tak suka. A lot of you don't know how to sketch. Am I right? Kamu semua tak tahu macam mana buat ni. Sangat senang guys. Always remember this concept untuk soalan lakaran segitiga ni. Isosceles triangle. Biasanya soalan akan main konsep ni. You must try to form an isosceles triangle. Yes, ambiguity cases. Okay, they will always test you on this. Kamu kena bentuk satu segitiga kaki sama daripada raja yang diberi. Okay, so kamu lihatlah mereka nak KMN. Okay, so mana KMN? KMN. Okay, so guys, cuba lihat syarat yang soalan beri. Look at the condition. Okay, so they say KM dan KN kena sama. Okay, so this one and this one fix. Okay, dua ni dah fix dah. So what can I move here guys? Saya boleh gerak apa kat sini? Saya boleh gerak MN. Betul? I can move MN. Sebab soalan tak kata MN kena sama. Means that MN can become longer. Okay, saya boleh panjangkan MN. Okay guys, see this carefully ya. Yang ni, saya boleh bentuk satu garis macam ni. Betul? M prime. Dan dua-dua panjang ni akan sama. Both of these length will be the same. This is what I call as isosceles triangle guys. Boleh nampak tak guys? So tengok, ini adalah satu segitiga baru dah. This is a new triangle. Do you all understand? 1 or 2? Satu atau dua untuk yang ni. So this is how you form guys. Apa tak faham? Very simple guys. Original diagram like this, right? Okay, first step. You identify which side you can move. Tengok bahagian mana boleh gerak. MN sahaja boleh gerak. berdasarkan soalan. You can only move your MN. Okay. So now, saya boleh panjangkan yang ni. I can extend. Ha? Cannot tahan already ah. Guys, kamu semua tak boleh tahan lebih dari 2 jam ah. Ayo, you guys so weak. Guys, this paper is 2 hours 30 minutes, you know. Belum sampai 2 jam. Okay, this is 2 hours 30 minutes paper. 2 jam 30 minit. Alright? Yeah. So, 30 minutes still. Okay. Wow. Okay, so guys, you can extend. Kamu boleh panjangkan. Okay, the MN line. Okay, so you extend macam ni. Alright. Jangan bye. Tak boleh. Tinggal 2 soalan lagi saja guys. 2 more only. Jangan risau. Okay. So you can draw a isosceles triangle guys. Kamu boleh lukis satu segitiga kaki sama. Yes. Keep on fighting guys. Nanti kamu semua nak ambil gambar ke? Sebab kita tahan lebih 2 jam at maths. Kita semua ambil gambar nanti. Promise? Janji? My fighters. Siapa yang berjuang dengan saya? Boleh ya. Nanti takut ada cakap camera shy pula. Okay. So guys, kamu panjangkan garis sahaja. Okay, you just extend the line. Okay, so you get M prime. Am I right? Bila kamu ada satu titik baru, kamu selalu letak simbol pelengkap ni. Prime. Prime show you a new point. Alright? So this length and this length same. Okay, so boleh nampak guys? Ini segitiga baru kamu. Boleh faham? Okay, and then mereka suruh kamu cari NKM. Wait okay, MKN ataupun KNM. Okay, so MKN. Okay, so means yang ni. So how to get this one guys? Kamu kena fikir. Okay, so just now yang ni 110. Am I right? Yang ni 70. Yang ni 70. Yang ni akan berapa guys? 40. Betul? This one you will get 40. Yang ni sahaja. Okay, this one is 40. Lepas tu yang ni guys, yang ni pun 40. Am I right? 110 tambah 30, baki akan 40. Because the total angle in a triangle, jumlah sudut kena 180. So kamu tambah 2 ni lah. So MKN sama dengan 80. Senang tak guys? Very easy right? So kamu dah dapat jawapan. As long kamu dapat lukis yang ni, sudut tu sangat senang. Alright? Make sure your drawing is correct. Lukisan kamu betul. Okay, so we come to the last question guys for today. Soalan terakhir. Index nombor. Yang ni pasti 10 markah lah guys. Okay, index number if you cannot score 10 mark, sangat rugi lah. Okay, sebab sangat senang. Very simple. Okay, so first question. They say price index of ingredient P for 2021 based on 2019 is 130. Okay, so kamu fokus for P lah. Alright, so kamu bandingkan dua yang ni. Alright, so equation kena guna rumus lah. Okay, so Z over 50 times 100 equal to index which is 130. So carilah nilai Z. Senang kan? 2 markah. Settle. Okay, next one. Mereka suruh cari nilai X dan Y. Okay, they say ingredient Q 2021 berasaskan 2019 140. Okay, so now we focus on Q, means these two. Okay, so 140. Okay, and then mereka bagi tahu 2019 6 less than 2021. Okay guys, maksudnya 2019. What is your price guys? Apa harga dia? Okay, you must do assumption lah guys. Kalau 2021 Y, 6 ringgit kurang, 6 ringgit less mean Y minus 6. Am I right? Okay, because asal Y, so X ini is actually Y minus 6. Okay, for 2019. Okay, you will get Y minus 6. Okay, never mind. Okay, Y tolak 6 lah. Alright, so this one is Y minus 6. Okay, so then kamu boleh selesaikan lah. Just solve the equation already. Okay, so yeah, they already tell you the index is 140. Okay, so kamu bentuk persamaan. Okay, so your equation will look something like this. Okay, so this is what I said. Okay, so kamu cari nilai X dan Y. Alright, so this is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. Clear guys? So X is 15, Y is 21. Boleh? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Boleh kan? Okay, next one. Soalan B guys. Question B. Okay, they say composite index. Okay, composite guys. Composite index mean semua bahan, all the ingredient. Okay, so you just take the sum of index times weightage. Okay, ambil harga index kali dengan pemberat. Okay, so you just fill in all your value that you have. Okay, isikan semua nilai yang kamu ada. Okay, so this one is 1950, X is 15, Y is 21. So kamu kali sajalah, just times. Okay, you will get your answer in term of P and Q guys. Kamu akan dapat jawapan dalam sebutan P dan Q, tak apa. Sebab kamu tak boleh cari nilai P dan Q. You cannot find one. Okay, so kamu guna rumus sahaja. Indeks kubahan. Okay, so rumus dia adalah hasil tambah indeks dan pemberat bagi yang ni sama dengan indeks gubahan. Okay, this is your formula. Sum of index times weightage over sum of weightage. Okay, so then algebra sajalah guys. Okay, just use algebra, get your answer. Dapat jawapan. Okay, I think you must express P in term of Q. Okay, kamu kena ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q berdasarkan soalan. Okay, so you just leave your answer like this. Boleh faham? Can understand? 14B? Okay, so now we come to the last question guys for today. Soalan terakhir, question C. Okay, they tell you the price of biscuit RM40 and they say price of all ingredient increased by 20%. Okay guys, bila dia cakap meningkat 20%, maksudnya yes, very good. The index is 120, correct? Okay, so now they ask you to find the selling price. Okay, so the concept is selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Yang ni kamu kena ingat guys. Okay, harga jual sama dengan harga cost tambah keuntungan. This is a basic concept. Okay, plus untung. Alright. So this is the thing you must keep in mind. Okay, so first step, find the composite index. Okay, kamu kena cari index 2022 based on 2019. Okay, so kamu kena eliminate 2020 lah. Okay, so wait sorry, kamu cari 2022 berasaskan 2019. Okay, because 2021 adalah tahun serupa kat sini. Okay, 2021 is your common year in this question. Alright, so you just take the composite index. Okay, tadi kamu ada harga index, harga gubahan, index gubahan 132. Okay, so you take 132 times 100, 132 times 120 over 100. Okay, selalu kamu darab dua-dua indeks informasi yang kamu ada bagi 100. Usually like that. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan. Alright, then kamu kena cari harga bagi semua material, all the item. Okay, so they tell you all the item 2019 adalah RM40. So now kita nak cari for 2022, apa harga semua bahan pula? What is the total price for all the item in 2022? Okay, so kamu bagi simbol lah. You just give a symbol of X untuk 2022, 2019, RM40. Jawapan dia adalah yang ni, 158.4, index gubahan. Okay, so you will get the price. Okay guys, may I know, this one is the cost price or selling price? Ini adalah harga cost atau harga jual? Cuba jawab. Very good. This is the cost price before the profit, sebelum keuntungan. So macam mana cari harga yang dijual? Kamu hanya ambil profit kali dengan nilai itulah. Okay, they say 15% profit, 15% keuntungan. Maksudnya harga dia akan menjadi 115% guys. 115% kali nilai itu. Okay, then you will get the answer 72.86. Congratulations guys. Kita dah habis kertas 2 kurang dari 2 jam 30 minit dengan bincang semua soalan yang diperlukan. Congratulations. 2 hours 10 minutes. 20 minit lebih cepat. So baguslah. Kalau kamu boleh buat macam ni dalam exam, kamu boleh habislah Admaths paper 2. Okay? So nak ambil gambar? Do you all want to take picture? Janji kan? You all janji want to take picture.